Finally, OPPO launched OPPO first smartphone in 2024, OPPO Find X7 series in China, OPPO Find X7 and OPPO Find X7 Ultra. So first talk about the box content. In the box, you can get some paperwork, SIM ejector tool, one USB Type-C cable and 100-watt fast charger, one beautiful case and our OPPO Find X7 Ultra. And as you can see that here all the color are unboxing and the smartphone come with beautiful 4 colors. So let me know in the comment section below which color you guys like it. OPPO Find X7 Ultra come with 6.82-inch 2K resolution curved OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and this is BOE X1 panel. And the smartphone peak brightness is maximum 4500 nits. And the one of the highlighted feature OPPO Find X7 Ultra is the satellite communication option. Yes, satellite communication option are now available finally Android phone with the OPPO Find X7 series. Let's now talk about the camera section. And OPPO Find X7 Ultra series is the first smartphone come with dual periscope telephoto camera, 50 megapixel main sensor Sony Latia 900, 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide with Sony Latia 600, and the font is also come with single 32 megapixel selfie camera with Sony IMX709, and the smartphone come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with LPDDR5 XRAM up to 16GB with 512GB storage with UFS 4.0. The phone running Android 14 based on ColorOS 14, and the phone powered by 5000 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charger and 50-watt wireless charging supported. And the phone also comes with IP68 rating, in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speaker, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4. The smartphone starting price is 5999 RMB for 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage, which almost $844. Alright, that's for today's video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.